Hello everyone, our today's topic is decorative design for photo frame. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black micro tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper. First we have to draw 1 centimeter border onto a page, write down the heading and a date. Then we are going to divide this page into 4 equal parts by drawing vertical and horizontal line. Now we get in the center here. Then we are going to draw on a 24 centimeter by 18 centimeter rectangular on center of the page. Now we are going to take 1 inch distance from all the 4 sides, and again we are going to draw 19 centimeter by 13 centimeter rectangle inside this bigger rectangle. This is our frame. Now we are going to draw on a design here. Here I am going to draw on a flowery design that is very much easier for you to draw. If you want to draw on a different design, you can draw. Drawing should be light. You can use a 2B pencil for that. If you have a clutch pencil, you can use it. But drawing, first you have to draw lightly and arrange it on a shape given, so that if you goes wrong you can erase it and you can change in it. And after you finalize your drawing, you must be darken your drawing with the 2B pencil. Now here we draw on a design on a only two sides, that is on a upper left hand side part and lower right hand side part. For remaining two parts we use different techniques of the drawing. So this is our drawing. Now we add half centimeter border line on both the rectangles. You can see in the inner side of the frame we adding half centimeter border line. Also on the outer side of the frame, here also we adding half centimeter border line. Now this is our final drawing. If you want to erase some unnecessary lines, you can erase it, and then we going to start some coloring. I am applying one yellow color transparent wash on a frame so that we can take advantage of this color for our final coloring. After applying a wash, wait for some time to dry this wash and then starts our next application of the coloring. Now after waiting for some time, we apply on the next application of the color. We starts with the leaves and the stem of the flower. For that I am applying a light green color. You can add slight amount of yellow ochre or the yellow color also. If you don't have light green color, you use yellow plus poster green combinations, which you gets in a light green color. Don't mix in a white color in a green color to mix in a light green color. Always use yellow color in green to mix in a light green color. Now for the flowers, we take some pinkish shades and we apply three tones of the pinks in it: light, middle and dark. The middle part should be light and the outer part should be dark, that we apply afterward. This is our flowers. Birds we colors with the dark pink color and white combination. You can see the birds are darker than the real flowers. Now we adding dark tones on the page of the flowers, so it gets dimensions and Now the flowers are come out from the frame, like we are showing on a 3 dimensions in the flowers. We also show the 3 dimensions in the leaves and the stems also, and for that we takes on a dark green and a white combination. We are showing dimension to the leaves from the one side, so the one side of the leaves are dark, and also we add a thread on it. Like that you can make on a different design also. Here I am using on a flowery design, so that you can comfortably make, or this is easier for you to mix on a design. I am applying on a brownish tone at the center. Now for the border line I am applying on a burnt sienna, because our combinations of the colors are lighter. Also the frame color also light, and because of that I am applying on a brown color for the border line, so that our designs gets in a dimension and to accommodate in two border lines. This is on the second border line, is slightly darker than the burnt sienna, and for that I am adding a Persian blue color in it, so that we get a darker border line, darker brown border line. Mostly you see that the border for the frames are white or black, or the dark or the light, so that whatever picture we display in the frame gets come out from the frame and it's look beautiful. Now we add some dimension to the all the designs, and for that we adding some border lines with the darkened tones of the colors. Like here I am using a dark green color for the leaves and the stems, and afterward we adding some design or the borderline for the flowers with the brown color. If you want to use a black macrotip pen, you can use it instead of this brush borderline, but it's look beautiful if you use darkened shades of the colors. Also we add some white shades in the flowers, so it gets in dimensions. Here I am using a black macrotip pen to show the difference between the border lines with the brush and the black macrotip pen. You can see how we differentiate. The upper leaves has the border lines with the brush, and the lower leaves has a border lines with the black macrotip pen. The only difference is that the black macrotip pen has only one point, that is one dimension of the point, but if you trace with the brush you get some different applications as well as the thickness of the brush, so you get some different dimensions. But if you're not comfortable with the brush, you can use black macrotip pen also. Now the remaining part of the frame we are using different technique that I am going to show you here. I am applying colors, dots of the colors with the back part of the brush. Different shades we apply here: yellow ochre, red, brown, white, black. This is the concept that we are showing here, pointed marble sequence that you see most of the times on a frame, that I'm going to show you here. And also we showing dimensions to this sequence. We adding two lines here so that we can show this marble sequence are situated on this box rectangle, some dimensions with the black macrotip pens. I hope you understand the demonstrations is very much different for you to makes drawings and the paintings. You can use different technique for the coloring as well as the drawing if you want. This is one concept. Keep practicing. Thank you and best of luck.